Hi, in front of me is iPhone 15 and today I would like to show you how you can print using this device. First of all, you need to open file that you wish to print and tap on the Share button at the bottom left corner. Now scroll down, click on Print section and tap on Printer at the top. Now just click on the one that you wish to use, in my case HP one. When you're ready, click on Presets below your printer and set up the best option for you, in my case black and white. Now you can select number of copies, enable or disable print in color option by tapping on this sweater next to it, and even select paper size and click on the best option from the list of available ones. When you finished, click on the top left corner. Lastly, scroll down, click on Media and Quality, and over here adjust Feed Form and Media Type by clicking on one of those sections and applying the best option for you. You can also adjust print quality by swiping left or right on this slider. Finally, click on the top left corner and hit Print button at the top right one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!